Welcome to all in SV Union High School and Junior College, presented by Mrs. Vaishali Jadhav.
Student, let us study least common multiple, that is LCM, right? So in this, first we'll learn solved example. From that you will get an idea what is LCM exactly, right? See the answer, multiples of 13. In HCF we used to write factors. It means in which all table the number is there, those factors we used to write. Now multiple means what? In this table, which all multiples are there? 13 ones are 13, 13 twos are 26, 13 threes are 39, 13 fours are 52, 13 fives are 65. 13 6 are 70, 13 7s are 91, and so on, like this 130. So on, you can write n number of multiples. Now multiples of 6. Means we'll write again table of 6. 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18, 6 4s are 24, 6 5s are 30, 6 6s are 36, 6 7s are 42, 6 8s are 48, 6 9s are 54, 6 10s are 60, and so on. Children, please have a look at the board. 60 and here 65. No number is common. It means we have to find out next factors, right? So 60 plus 6, 66. 66 plus 6, yes, 72. 72 plus 6, 78, and so on. Here what is the lowest common factor? 78. So let us write lowest common factor is equals to 78. Therefore, LCM of 13 and 6 is equals to 78. Is it clear to you all, children? Student, let us know the rules. Now I know, right? In the textbook also it is given the LCM of two numbers cannot be bigger than their product. Always remember, you find out the LCM, first you find out the product and see that product is not bigger than your answer, so that you will also get an idea your answer is exactly correct. Now next one is second one. To find the LCM of the given numbers, we write down the multiples of each of the given numbers and find the lowest of their common multiples. This is what the LCM is. Students, let us begin to solve practice set 25. See, the question is given, find out the LCM of the following numbers. First example, numbers are given 9 and 15. Let us start finding the answer. Multiples of 9. Multiples of 9. Let us write the table of 9. 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18, 9 threes are 27, 9 fours are 36, 9 fives are 45, 9 sixes are 54, 9 sevens are 63, 9 eights are 72, 9 nines are 81, 9 tens are 90, 9 elevens are 99, and so on. These are the multiples of 9. Now multiples of 15. 15 ones are 15, 15 twos are 30, 15 threes are 45, 15 fours are 60, 15 fives are 75, 15 sixes are 90, 15 sevens are 105, 15 eights are 120, and so on. Right? Students, now let us write the common multiples of 9 and 15. Common multiples of 9 and 15 is equals to, yes, 45 is the common. Next common, yes, 90. We get many numbers. Lowest common multiple, lowest common multiple is equals to 45. Therefore, LCM of 9 and 15 is equals to 45. So your answer is 45. Alright? Student, let us see example number 2. Here 3 numbers are given. Don't worry. Procedure is same. Only one number is extra. Doesn't matter. Let us find out multiples of 2. Write down the table of 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, 2 6s are 12, 2 7s are 14, 2 8s are 16, 2 9s are 18, 2 10s are 20, 2 11s are 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32 and so on. Right? Now factors, multiples of 3. Multiples of 3 is equals to 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 10, 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15, 3 6s are 18, 3 7s are 21, 3 8s are 24, 3 9s are 27, 3 10s are 30, 33, 36 and so on. Then multiples of 5. 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 20, 5 5s are 25, 5 6s are 30, 5 7s are 35, 5 8s are 40, 5 9s are 45, 5 10s are 50 and so on. Let us write down the common multiples. Common multiples of 2, 3 and 5 is equals to. What is the common over here? In all the 3 numbers we have to find out common multiple. So here only 30. 30 is the lowest common multiple which is common for all the numbers. 20 is here, 20 is here, but it is not multiple of 3, so only 30. We get one more 60 like that. We have not written, but doesn't matter. Now lowest common multiple is equals to 30. Therefore, LCM of 2, 3, 5 is equals to 30. Underline your answer. Is it clear, children? See, third example. Let us write the multiples of 12. Write down the table of 12. 12 1s are 12, 12 2s are 24, 12 3s are 36, 12 4s are 48, 12 5s are 16, 12 6s are 72, 12 7s are 84, 12 8s are 96, 12 9s are 108, 12 10s are 120 and so on. Okay? Multiples of 28. 28 1s are 28, 28 2s are 56, 28 3s are 84, 28 4s are 112, 28 5s are 140 and so on. Okay? Now lowest common multiples. Of 12 and 28 is equals to What is the lowest common multiple? Yes, it is 84. And so on. Therefore, LCM of 12 and 28 is equals to 84. Alright. So this is your final answer. Students, let us begin to solve fourth example. Numbers are given 15 and 20. So let us write multiples of 15. 15 ones are 15, 15 twos are 30, 15 threes are 45, 15 fours are 60, 15 fives are 75, 15 sixes are 90, 15 sevens are 105, 15 eights are 120, 15 nines are 135, 15 tens are 150 and so on. Now multiples of 20. 21s are 20, 22s are 40, 23s are 60, 24s are 80, 25s are 100, 26s are 120, 27s are 140, 28s are 160, 29s are 180, 20 are 200 and so on. Let us find out the lowest common multiple. Of 15 and 20 is equals to 60 is there. Yes, 60 is there. Therefore, LCM is equals to 60. LCM is equals to 60. Student, let us see fifth example. Numbers are given 8 and 11. Let us write multiples of 8. It means we'll write table of 8. 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16, 8 threes are 24, 8 fours are 32, 8 fives are 40, 8 sixes are 48, 8 sevens are 56, 8 eights are 64, 8 nines are 72, 8 tens are 80, 8 elevens are 88 and so on. Multiples of 11. 11 ones are 11, 11 twos are 22, 11 threes are 33, 11 fours are 44, 11 fives are 55, 11 sixes are 66, 11 sevens are 77, 11 eights are 88 and so on. Now lowest common multiple of 8 and 11 is equals to, see, none of the number is common, only 88 is lowest. So right here 88, therefore LCM is equals to 88, right?